Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect country, everyone with courtesy to my country and my people, and pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, as long as my happiness.